This YouTube channel is making $5,000 per month easily because it has got approx 2 million views in the last 30 days. The channel has uploaded only 300 videos and it has gained 1 million subscribers. Moreover, all their videos have thousands of views. All they do is upload simple videos and all their videos are created using AI. The best part is, it only takes them 10 minutes to make these videos. Believe me, these types of videos are getting extremely popular these days. So let's find out how you can make videos like these and earn thousands of dollars effortlessly. Step 1. Write a story. To create videos like these, you first need to write a story. We are going to ChatGPT for this. Now let's go to ChatGPT. Before giving any prompt, remember not to use common prompts like write a kid's story, because many people use similar prompts, which leads to everyone creating the same story, and their YouTube channel becomes at risk of demonetization. To ensure you get unique results, give ChatGPT a specific prompt. For example, write a story of two friends. One friend was rich and other was poor, and first is very loyal to his friend, but rich friend was dishonest. Make sure the speaking tone is friendly and storytelling style. As soon as I enter the prompt, you can see that ChatGPT has provided me with a unique story. So now you can use this to create your video. Now you need to provide another prompt, like I want to make an animated YouTube video about this story, and I want to use images to make the video. Could you suggest images for different scenes? The more creative you are, the better results you will get. So use your imagination to modify the prompts accordingly. Great, now you should save the story in your notepad or Google Docs. So let's move on to step 2, generating related images for our story. Go to the app Leonardo AI, which is AI image generator. You can go to the link in the description. First, go to the AI image generation option, where you'll see various featured models. But for creating animation videos, you can select the 3D animation style, then change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Perfect. Now copy the first scene from ChatGPT and paste it in Leonardo AI. Before generating, provide additional instructions to get better results and make a powerful prompt. Click on the generate, the image is generated. You can download it. Do the same for the second and third prompts. Ensure that you use different animation styles for each image to maintain video quality. Now let's move on to step 3. Step 3, convert the images into animations. Go to Lieapix, you can find the link in the description. It's a powerful AI 3D animation tool and it's completely free. First sign up here, upload your image and you can animate it. You can adjust animation length and style as well, and you get different types of animation styles like horizontal, wide circle, circle, tall circle, and perspective. You can choose any one, making sure to use different animation styles for each scene. According to me, you should keep the animation slow. This would be better. Once the animation is done, download it. Repeat this process for all the images. Now let's move on to step 4. Step 4, convert the story into voice. For convert ChatGPT story into powerful voice, you can use 11 Labs. This is a powerful AI voice generator tool. I've provided the link in the description. Now add your video script to 11 Labs and choose any good voice. And that's how your voiceover is ready, and you can download it. Now let's move on to step 5. Step 5, combine the voice and images. Finally, the time has come to bring everything together by combining the beautifully crafted voiceover with the captivating images. Now there's a variety of tools you can use for video editing. We will use CapCut. It is suitable for both PC and mobile devices. Download CapCut and import all your video clips and the voice. Ensure that the voice matches the video clips perfectly, delivering an extraordinary viewing experience. But wait, there's more to enhance viewer engagement and accessibility. Don't forget to add captivating captions to your video, so go to the text option. From here, go to auto caption and click on create. Caption will be added to your video in few seconds, and if you want, you can edit the caption from here, like changing font color, etc. To make your video more engaging, consider adding background music and effects. You can find royalty-free music on YouTube Audio Library. Just download it and use on your YouTube videos. Once everything is complete, export your video. That's it.
Once upon a time in the bustling town of Meadowbrook, there lived two childhood friends named Alex and Ben. Alex and Ben as young children playing by the river, fishing, or climbing trees. The town of Meadowbrook with its cobblestone streets and bustling market. Alex and Ben sitting under the oak tree, making promises about the future. Alex's luxurious lifestyle and business success. Ben working at his father's blacksmith shop, content with his simple life.
With these AI tools, you can easily create a YouTube channel and start earning thousands of dollars with a bit of smart work. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe.